Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a file with your own personal voice that you have created on iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, which version of the iOS you have. This is all going to work the same on every iPhone that you can get on the market. So now, after creating your own personal voice, you can export the file and send it to someone, or just save it to your hard drive or the iCloud, to make sure that in the future, or to give it to someone else that want to use your own personal voice to the live speech, you can do it on the iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down a little bit and tap on the accessibility. Once you're here, you want to go to the personal voice, so swipe down and tap on personal voice. Here you are going to find the personal voices, or just one voice that you have created, or you have just imported from someone. You want to go with that voice, and also you need to go with the password to go to it. As you can see here, you can change the name, but we are interested to export the voice recordings. So after that, the voice recordings that if you send to someone, the iPhone is going to process them, and someone or just on another device, you are going to be able to use this voice without the recordings, without need to make the recordings to make the personal voice to the live speech. So click the export voice recordings, and now you can copy it, go to the quick note, save to files. You can airdrop this, message, mail. As you can see, it's just the sharing option of the this file. So let's say I want to save it. So save it to the files, and I'm going to save it in the documents maybe. So once here, I'm just going to save it. So this is it. It's super easy, as you can see. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.